Yeah, I can do anything. Yeah.
Hello my beautiful people, I am so glad that you picked this video because you are in for a treat. My name is Gift Janiti and I am back with another video. This time it'll be a hair care and length check video. In this video you'll see me using nothing but Palmer's coconut oil formula products for my wash day. That only includes the shampoo, conditioner, and the leave-in conditioner. So let's get it. So the first product that I will be using is the Palmer's Coconut Oil Conditioning Shampoo. So I got this product for about $4 and some change at Walmart. But when I went to Walmart, I originally wanted to get a different type of shampoo. But this just stuck out so much to me because I was just so intrigued that they have shampoo and conditioner, because I know that their moisturizing products are amazing. So I definitely had to try it. And I must say, Palmer's did their thing. I mean, look at that lather. Amazing, right? Because see, when I'm looking for shampoo, I'm looking for something that's going to give me a nice, beautiful lather like that. Something that is going to definitely let me know that my hair is absolutely getting clean, that is touching every single strand, just like this. Palmer's did that. Not only that, but these products smell so freaking good. Y'all, it smelled like I was baking a cake in the bathroom. No lie. Now you see me washing it all out. I couldn't be all cute to wash it out. You know, I had to wash it out the way that it was going to work for me while I was in the shower. Yeah, and look how much I used for the second wash. That's kind of too much. I used too much. I didn't even need that much. Because look at all of the suds that it made. Like, this is amazing. Let's just watch me get my life for a minute. Okay, for my shampoo, I'm using Palmer's Coconut Oil Repairing Conditioner. I'm definitely putting this thoroughly through my hair, trying to get it on every single strand. And once I get it on every single strand, I definitely start to massage it into my scalp. And I don't know what smells better, the shampoo or the conditioner. And although it told me to put a generous amount, I love to put a bunch of conditioner on my hair because my hair is super thick. I want to make sure it has enough slip. And this conditioner definitely has slip. Look at me just being able to pull it apart with minimal effort. Both the shampoo and the conditioner had a lot of slip. But look at that. Comb is just easily going through this hair. My hair is so nice and detangled. Yes, Palmer's, you are amazing. I love this shampoo and this conditioner. Yeah, I did not have a lot of time to leave this on my hair because it was late at night and I was just trying to get done. I left it on for about 5 minutes, which was a proper time because it said 3 to 5 minutes on the bottom. Just look at the elasticity in my hair. Palmer's did that. You see my little curls happening? I didn't even know my hair could do all that. Come on. Keep it coming, Palmer's. What else you got? Bring them products out, cause I'm buying. Yeah, so I did not make it to the protein treatment, and I wish I would have left the conditioner on my hair longer to see what it would have done, because when my hair dried, it actually got a little brittle. So I definitely applied this leave-in conditioner, and it was more so oily. I like the feel of the leave-in conditioner. It wasn't like watery, it was oily, so it gave my hair some oil and some moisture. And here I am with my hair nice and blow dried, nice and prepped, ready for my next hairstyle. I rarely need my ends clipped, but that hair is beautiful, honey. Yes. So y'all, now that I have my hair nice and blowed out, I see that it's hanging a little bit. Normally I have, a puff, so I know for sure that it grew. If you have made it this far, please consider subscribing to my channel. So let's see, we're gonna do a quick length check. I got this measurement tape right here. I think I'm gonna do it in inches though. So we got the inches. So what I'm gonna do is lift it on up. Part a little bit. Put the rest in a ponytail. So my ends are very raggedy, but I'm braiding it up right now, and I would clip it myself, but I don't have the right scissors, and I don't want to just put any hair shears in my hair. So yeah, we're just gonna measure it right now. Let me find my patience and measure this correctly for you all. So I'm gonna move that down just so y'all can see. So we got it, and it is right there. So we're gonna measure it. I'm gonna not move my finger. Keep my finger right there. I'm gonna put this right there at the top of the part. See where it is? Top of that part. And then top of the part. My finger hasn't moved. I gotta flip that over. I'm struggling, y'all. So it is about, oh my goodness. 9.5 inches. Whew, that was a lot of work. My goodness. 9.5 inches. It is December 12th, 2019, and my hair is 9.5 inches long. So loves, if you have made it this far, you have seen me wash my hair and prep it for my braids. And in my next video, I cannot wait for you all to see the hairstyle that I want to do. So I will put that link in this video. And if you guys love this video and it was of any worth to you, I would love if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Also, this is Give Janiti, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.